Today we're going to be using some of this Petramax Rock Glue. There are tons of these videos over YouTube, and you know, I want to see if this stuff actually works. I'm fed up of these rocks coming out onto my drive, and when I have to blow off the leaves, I end up blowing the rocks everywhere. So hopefully this Petramax Rock Glue holds these things in place. I already have a gallon of water in here, and I need to add half a gallon of the Petramax. So we're going to do 4 cups, well 8 cups, but 4 pours of this glass jug that I have here. Looks like milk or PVA glue or something like that. Give a drill with a mixing bit, it'd probably be the best thing to use, but we're just going to use one of these paint stirrers. Just to make sure these are all completely saturated, and it will dry clear. After finishing up the first coating, it's already starting to dry, so we need to move on to the next step, which is lightly raking the stones. This is going to disturb that top coat that we just put on there so that the glue can get into the stones and help hold them together better. Then we're going to come along with the second coat of glue, and we're going to saturate all the stones again. We're also going to follow along behind the glue with a tamper. This is going to compact the stones together and make sure you get a really good hold onto the stones and that the glue holds them in place. It's all tamped down. Can't really tell much difference. You see the little bit of blue kind of milky color where the glue is. We went a little bit thicker there, or just not dried yet. Now we just need to wait 48 to 72 hours for this to completely cure. Hopefully there's no rain that comes up on the weather map because there was nothing planned right now. You need to keep this as dry as possible. So we'll check back in 3 days' time and see how strong these are and see if they're actually doing their job and holding these rocks in place. Overall, I'm fairly impressed with this rock glue. I wasn't too sure what to expect because these rocks are a little bit larger, but you can see me using the leaf blower here and the rocks aren't moving at all, so that's going to make fall cleanup really easy. And then you can see me here trying to move the rocks with my hand, similar to how I did before. I put the rock glue down and all the rocks were moving.